Simple food is on menu today, and it comes with 3 big wins: low carb, on a budget, and kids friendly, especially if eating veggies is a kind of nightmare for them and eventually for you if you're a parent. Cauliflower with Mornay sauce, or simply put, cauliflower cheese, is what we're making today. Let's get this show on the road. Now, when we've just gone over the parade of ingredients, it is time to make the real stuff. Pull the leaves off the cauliflower base. With a paring knife, cut the florets from the core. If the florets are chunky, divide them into halves or even quarters to make sure that cauliflower is cooked evenly. Rinse florets under the running water, drain and set aside. Fill a large pot with water and put it on high heat to boil. While water is heating, process half of the cup of breadcrumbs and 2 cloves of garlic in food processor until the garlic is crushed and well combined with the breadcrumbs. Set aside as well. At this point, there is still time left until the water boils. Prepare an oven-proof casserole dish and grease it with a knob of softened butter. Also, turn on the oven and set it to 430 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius to preheat. When the water boils, add 2 teaspoons of salt and the cauliflower florets. Cook for about 5 minutes or until just tender. Once cooked, carefully drain the cauliflower and leave it in the drainer. Return the empty pot to the stove, as the sauce Mornay will be prepared in the same pot. To make the sauce, first melt 40 grams of butter and combine it with 1/3 cup of flour and cook the mixture, stirring constantly for about a minute to get rid of the raw flour taste. Add 500 milliliters milk, stir and cook the mixture on low heat until it is just about to start bubbling. Add a dash of ground pepper and ground nutmeg for a flavor kick. Stir in 100 grams of grated white cheddar, turn off the heat and continue to stir until cheese completely melts, creating smooth texture for the Mornay sauce. When the sauce is ready, pour over the cooked and drained cauliflower. Mix the sauce with the cauliflower so that all florets are well covered with the sauce. Transfer to the casserole dish. Scatter over the remaining 50 grams of grated cheddar, then the garlicky breadcrumbs, and bake in the preheated oven for 20 minutes until golden brown and bubbling. Remove from the oven and let it cool until bubbling stops. Garnish with minced cilantro and serve on its own or as a side dish. This oozy, creamy, and delicious casserole goes well with roasted potatoes or any kind of protein. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed it. If all of a sudden you decide to give this dish or Mornay sauce a try, check out the recipe in the description below. Stay awesome, folks, and we will meet again in the next episode.